J. Third flag for Team Pangasinan. Pasok. Timira, pasok yan. Oh, that's a basketball. Ito na. The blue of the glass. Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Region 1 Athletic Association para sa laban ng Pangasinan 1 at Candon City. And the jump ball between number 11. Ew. First blood for Team Pangasinan. Passes to number 19. Number 13. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Side step, nakakapikan at naagawan. Na-recover. Libreng-libre. And DC basket. One dribble pass inside part of the glass. Basket for you. Team Candon City, matatapikan. Pinasahan ang kalaban. One-on-one, side step pass. Pass break ngayon. And his Team Candon, dig it out. Pass for 3. Battle for rebound fake. Titira, matatapalan dito. And Sinayo. Bars and bangs it for 2.
Number 2.
Nakagawin mga idol. At tumira, floater, basket again. For Team Pangasinan. Team Candon. Pass it inside, alley-oop pass, rebound. And his Team Candon, dig it out. Number 25, open for 3. Wala, rebound, Kaldag, tira, basket and 1. And his Team Candon, number 25, pass to the middle. Maagaw ni number 7 to number 8. 1 versus 4, linusutan. Plays up, strong. Rebound, putback, basket and 1. And his Team Candon, number 1, sa gilid. Pass back number 1.
10 shots
Open for a 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 2, kinaliwak.
Jersey number 2.
Number 4.
10 seconds shot
Number
clock.
2. Perimeter shot. Wala. Tinapik. Bounce pass to the middle. Loop. Binegus. Pass break. Loop. Naagaw. Perimeter shot. Wala. Loop. Oh, that's a basket for two.
Jersey number 3.
And it's number 1. Pass back to inside. Timira, pasok yan.
Jersey number 23.
Pull up, Jay. Number 8. Post pass. Pull up, Jay. Basket for 2.
Doubles for jersey number 4.
Number 25, lays up. Kapikan. Ito na. Lays up. Off the glass for 2. Fast break.
20 seconds to game clock. 15.
Lays up. Again, back to control
Doubles for
break.
jersey number 8. 5.
Easy
Four
basket.
points for jersey number 6.
And naagaw na naman. Space. Uy. Rebound. Oop. Pasok na naman.
4 points.
Oop. Wala. Put back shot and basket for
4 points
2.
for jersey number 2.
Maagaw na naman. Pick and fire. Wala. Oh, basket and
And
one. Fast break. Nag-iisa. Mabibitawan pa. And passes to number 2. Perimeter shot. The pull-up J.
2.
And here's Team Candon City. Stop. Out passes inside. Ball is stolen. And here's Pangasinan 2 at the middle. Number 2 attacking the rim. Left-handed lace. Won't go battle for rebound. And a rebound by number 11. Kick it out. Ooh, that's a pull-up J again coming from the... And here's Team Candon City. Para ibaba ang bola. Magawan dito. Here you go again. Number 2 Esperanza. Easy
4 points for
basket.
jersey number
That's 25 seconds on the game clock. Side step. Water. Rebound and a putback shot. At umakyat yung bola mga 5. And it's number 25 for Team... Oy!
Get up. Shot clock.
Kick at 2 sa 3. Short. Putback shot. That's a good one. Too strong. Rebound putback and a basket for 2.
4 points for jersey number 10.
Last break na yun. Maagawan. Kick it out. Wild open for 3. Strong. Recovered. Pass it there. Pass inside. Butata ang inabot. Wild open for 3. Bang!
Crossing.
Diretso. Hook shot. Wala. Rebound. Natabikan. Tagaw. Tumira. Oh, busy basket.
4 points for jersey number 8.
Nauna na. Oh, basket.
And one.
And di-dribble dito. Natapikan. Ball stolen, pass break. Nakakagaw. Number 4. Lotter. Pasok yan.
Jersey number 8.
Agaw mga idol. And busy
Jersey
basket.
number
Big.
10. Shot clock.
Sa 3. Oop. Number 7. Sate. Pinasa pabalik. Number 4. Attacking the rim. Gandang pasa. Deliver inside. Out. Magawan dito. And a fast break. 1 versus 2. Alley pass. And basket and 1.
And 1.
Attacking the rim. Oop. Sinayo ang bola. And easy basket. Ang gandang pass sa loob. Pumasok mga idol.
Last ball. 5.
5 seconds on the game clock. Number 8. Stop for 3. And that's the end. And here you go. Fourth quarter mga idol. Number 25-16. Galilid. Attacking
10 shot clock.
number 12 for 3. Bam! Balls up. Number 7. Good matatapigan. Nakagaw. All along pinasa. Put back. Gusto pa lang ibalo. Number 8. Spin. Whoop! The lace up. And
Almost for jersey.
Number 12 to number 26.
10 shot clock.
Spins, fire. Nagmamadali ngayon. Behind the back dribble. Uy!
Proceed.
At the middle, number 25. Fires. And his team Pangasinan. Floater and basket.
Ten shot clock.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass it back.
Last ball.
Attacking the basket. Binato. Too strong. And for the inbound, looking for receiver. Bounce pass. Binato. Makukuha dito ng Team Pangasinan. Number 6. Side step. 5, 10. That's basket for 2. Umihikot pa. Oh, pasok yan.
Jersey number 3. Jersey number 26.
Pasok yan.
50 seconds game clock.
And easy basket
Jersey
again.
number 5. Cowboys for London City.
Sa 3.
20 seconds game clock. Jersey number 9. Game clock.
Pasok yan.
Cowboys for London City.
Congratulations, Team Pangasinan 1. That's the end of the game.